We go to the next part of this device, that is safety measures we consider in the case of household circuit. We are using MCB, fuse and 3-pin plug to ensure better safety as far as electrical wiring is concerned. Let us see how it works. Now there is a question actually, what will be the characteristic of a fuse wire? Will be having a resistance? Very often students give some different answers for the question. They consider the fuse wire will be having a moderate resistance. But we have to show the characteristic of fuse wire by just doing the experiment here. Let us see what is happening if we connect a fuse wire in a circuit. Actually, fuse wire is in series with the circuit. That point they have to be introduced first. Any circuit is connected to a fuse in series. So in series, if there is resistance, actually the effective resistance of the circuit will be high. The point is to be highlighted, and we have to prove whether this fuse wire is having no resistance like our copper wire. We can do with this the experiment. Now see, the current is flowing through 60 watt bulb, and this bulb is in series with the 60 watt. Two 60 watt bulbs are now glowing. First 60 watt bulb I consider as a fuse wire. If this is a fuse wire, this fuse wire takes current to this next circuit which is having another bulb, and it glows. Suppose instead of 60 I am using 40. See, we have already noted the 40 bulb is having greater resistance than 60. You see what happened in the circuit, that circuit bulb is glowing not so bright, it becomes dim because the voltage is reduced here or current is reduced here because of the resistance of that first bulb, which acts as a fuse wire. Now come to the third, having 10 watt. We have already measured the resistance, that is 5825. 5825 is there if for fuse. In obvious, no current will be there for the electrical gadget we are using. Now let us see what is happening in real fuse wire. I am allowing current pass through the fuse wire. Current is now 0.24, and it is clear that no resistance is offered by the fuse wire. This can be again proved by connecting this one straight through the copper wire without any resistance. Now copper wire is there, no resistance is connected, no fuse wire is connected, current is flowing straight to the bulb. It again takes 0.24 current, ampere of current. That means this fuse wire and the copper wire is more or less of the same resistance, and fuse wire offers no resistance. Now here MCB we are using. The MCB also, current is 0.24 itself, so it is clear MCB or fuse, which are security measures or safety measures, will never affect our circuit, or it will not reduce the current in the circuit. The gadgets are free to work with their maximum amperage and maximum power. Now we are going to see the working of this MCB and fuse wire in the circuit. Now I am making a purposeful short circuit here. This neutral and phase are here short circuited, and I am applying this one in the plug point. A normal circuit is working here. Through MCB it is working. Now I am going to switch on this. That means I am going to make it a short circuit. Now we are making a purposeful short circuit here because the neutral and phase is connected. Once I switch on, there will be short circuit here. Now let us see how that MCB protects the circuit by tripping the circuit. When the short circuit takes place, see, I repeat the experiment once again. You can see what is happening to the circuit. When I switch on, that means short circuit is going to be happening. Immediately the circuit is off. It will protect the household wiring as well as the persons using the gadgets, and it will ensure better safety. See, as far as MCB is concerned, nowadays it is very easy to operate it. We can just switch on or switch off like a switch. We can operate that MCB, and no need of having the tension of tying the fuse wire, getting fuse wire, and going up and tying. That practical difficulties are all solved. A simple MCB can solve the problem. Now, how a fuse works, a student should get a knowledge or the direct experience how a fuse get fuse when overload or short circuit takes place. Here I have arrangement for this one, a fuse carrier. We have an acrylic sheet here through which we can see what is happening actually when a circuit is short circuited. Fuse wire will be melting. That experience, direct experience student will get with this. Now again I am going to make a purposeful short circuit in the circuit, and now current is flowing through the fuse wire. Fuse wire takes the electric current, then I am making this short circuit. Let us see what is happened to the wire here. There is a gap. That gap is now tied with 5 amps fuse wire. You can see here what is happening. Thus, fuse can protect again our household circuit, but the thing that once we want to again work the circuit, we have to tie the fuse wire. It is not easy as in the case of our MCB or ELCB.